How to recover YouTube playlist deleted. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, what I'm gonna show you is if you've deleted your playlist by mistakenly and if you want to restore it. Unfortunately, once you've deleted your YouTube playlist, there is no official undo or trash folder to restore it directly. YouTube does not provide a built-in recovery tool for user deleted playlist. So however, you can often recover a list of videos or the playlist itself using these workarounds. So if your playlist was public or unlisted, it might have been archived by a Wayback machines as well. You just have to check your browser history, share links in email or social media message for playlist original URL. You could then paste in the URL in a Wayback machine search bar, and if archive, you can see the title and links of the video that were in the playlist and manually recreate it as well. Next, you could also check the YouTube's watch history. So for that, simply want to make sure to launch open the profile at the very bottom. Tap onto the gear icon at the very top right. And you just want to make sure to go to manage all history. And here you just have to go and look for the history and playlist section. And if nothing works out, then you might have to contact your YouTube support. So for that, you just want to go to the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom. There you have help. And here you just want to make sure to go ahead and submit a ticket or feedback. Let them know about it, and this way they should be able to help you out. So with that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.